The G-5 is all about the integrity group. You can see us as serving governors as the face of this struggle, but the leaders and elders of the party that you see here, they are the people behind those faces. And we're here this morning in the Southwest to review the situation within our party, to review where we are, and to also look at what is going to happen with the coming elections. And at the end of our deliberation this morning, you will be fully briefed on where we stand on those burning issues. So on behalf of all our leaders and elders within PDP in the Southwest, I want to welcome all the members of the integrity group, and I want to wish us a fruitful deliberation. And to the press, once we are done, you will be called in. You'll be called in, and we will brief you on the outcome of this deliberation.